Namaste Yogis. How to work on your Vata Dosha, on the air element. And it's very interesting. I will bring a very nice topic which is called Vayu Mudra. So, this mudra is for people who are suffering with Vata Dosha, and you will also know your body type. So, it's going to be very interesting as I will include all these topics. First, you can measure your body type. You can check if you are Vata, if you are Pitta, or you are Kapha. And it's very interesting in Ayurvedic tradition that you know about your body type, under which category you fall, and after that, you work on your dosha. And it's also very interesting that you know exactly what you should bring in your daily activities, what kind of diet you should follow, and what kind of working you should apply on yourself. So that's why you can take care of your dosha. So I will start the video. First, if you know about your dosha, if you don't, so let's have a revision. So I will start how you can recognize your own body type. So before starting with the position, which is called Vayu Mudra, and this gesture is for directly for Vata people. Vata people in Ayurveda, they're very light. Their body type is, they come under, their body structure is small. They have dryness in their skin. Their body will be very light. They are very active. So they have a lot of functionings, a lot of physical appearances. So that's why you can easily find yourself if you are under Vata. I will also include about Pitta and Kapha. So Pitta is concerned with fire. Fire means those people, they will be more athletic, well built up. They have a nice looking, their body structure will be very nice. The toning, their skin, even the skin will not be that dry. But these people, if you go with their, what you say, characteristics, so physically they will be very nice built up. But the problem is, if you go on their mental aspect, they are very much a strong willed, but they lose their temper easily. The third, the third category is of kapha people. In general way, we can say big people. And actually, these days, what's happening due to thyroid? When their thyroid gland is imbalanced, you should watch a video. You should watch my video on thyroid on Vishuddhi Chakra. It's a separate video. You should go and watch, in which I included all the working of Vishuddhi Chakra and the role of Vishuddhi Chakra on your thyroid. So as we were talking about kapha people, kapha dosha, in that category, the body type is big. Generally, we put people who are big, they fall under kapha. So today my topic is Vayu Mudra, which is directly for light people who are small, who have a different body structure. So this mudra will be applied on Vata people. So how to practice Vayu Mudra? For Vayu Mudra, personally, I would suggest to practice Siddhasana. So simply, if our legs are crossed, this is called Siddhasana. This is called Sukhasana. For Siddhasana, we put left leg's heel under the anus region because there our Swadhisthana chakra is attached. And when we make that pressure over there, it has a reason. So our body comes under that discipline. So, firstly, we put the heel close to the anus region, and the other leg it goes up, which is also called half lotus. And you may try this posture according to Swami Ramdev. He mentions if you want to exceed your meditative approach, you want to grow into a spiritual world, you want to develop your spiritual growth, you may practice Siddhasana. If you can practice this posture for 15 to 30 minutes, you will find a difference, a complete difference in your body, in your mental aspect, and you will find your concentration level. So, how to practice Vayu Mudra? For Vayu Mudra, there is the role of index finger and your thumb. So, what we do, we press our index finger and we reach on the base of the thumb, and here we give this support a nice press. Just press it lighter, and these three fingers will be straight. So, if you have your body type which is Vata, this mudra is for you. And then you make your back straight, and these three fingers will be straight too. Then, first, you concentrate on your breathing and hold this gesture every day. Every day, try it in the morning at least 2 to 5 minutes. You can practice it during your pranayama practice. You can practice it even when you are sitting. You may sit like this. So, if you have problem concern with your digestive system, you have bloating. The bloating is on the abdominal area. Your food is not properly digested. So, in all those concerns, because Vata people they suffer with these problems. It's also very effective if the skin is dry. Try this mudra. You will start to see your skin getting better. And when we talk about other characteristics of Vata people, like the mind is quite active. The brain runs continuously, as I can say, non-stop. Basically, when you hold this posture, you will find the difference. But as you start to practice Vayu Mudra, so Vayu Mudra, it directly works on your gesture, and then your body becomes under control. And if you know that balance in between body and the mind, so to control over the brain, that's the yogic working. That first we have to work on our physical body. Yoga with that dream. She has very nice videos on physical body postures, how you bring your body under that control, under that discipline. And that's why we use this posture to sit for long duration. And now, if you practice Vayu Mudra, what are the changes? Simply the benefits of Vayu Mudra. So first, as I mentioned, it's very effective for digestive system to digest the food and to get all the nutrients. Secondly, physical appearance. As your body was feeling tired, what are people they feel a lot of pain, especially in the morning and evening time. So when you hold this Vayu Mudra, your air element will start to become normal. Third, the mental equilibrium, the mind which was running. So now your mind will be under control. Fourth, to practice meditation. When you were practicing meditation, your mind was not at one place, it was keep running. You try Vayu Mudra. You'll find a lot of benefits. Internal balance. If you're looking for that balance, for that calmness, for that peace, you should definitely practice Vayu Mudra. And please put in comments the questions. Please ask your queries. If you have any doubt, if you are, how is your practice going on? How are you practicing these days? So please let me know. And if you like the video, please press the like button, subscribe the channel, and share the video so it reaches to the people who are looking for proper guidance. And thank you for watching. Namaste.